Ludo is one of the easiest games that you can ever play on Meyo. So now when some person initiates it, you see the icon in the bottom right corner. So you need to click on one of the plus icons there when you're attending a party. Okay, so after you click there, mostly the person who initiates the game is the head of the party or the family. So as you can see, that's the one which is in the right corner there, just right on top of the treasure box there. It's reading Ludo. So that was me attending a family party. So now when you click there, what will happen is you will be given 4 pieces, and the opponent to whom you're playing it with will also be given 4 pieces, and then you will need to move those pieces one by one into some sort of a palace. It's like you have to move them, you protect them until they happen to reach the palace where they'll be protected. So the person who will actually move them real faster and make sure that the 4 pieces move all of them into the palace is the one who's declared the winner. So now what then are the rules that you have to follow? So these are the rules that you have to follow. So let me show you. Here we go. Let's take a ride. Okay, so now these are the rules. Tokens, you'll be given 4 tokens plus a dice, and there'll be a board. So that's what the board looks like. The 4 pieces will be in the top right corner of the opponent, and yours will be in the bottom left corner. So that's the dice that you actually be spinning. You spin it, and then your piece will move according to the number on which the die will actually land. So they're saying this is your home, and that's where the pieces have to be moved. Okay, so they're saying Ludo game is played between 2 to 4 players. Each player has 4 tokens. Whosoever gets all 4 tokens to their home first is the winner. The game can continue to crown a 2nd place winner, 3rd place winner, and 4th last finisher. So check out, a token can only move out if the player rolls 6. When a player rolls a 6, he gets another 10 to roll dice. So when you toss the dice, it lands on a 6, you'll be given another opportunity to actually toss it. But of course, your piece will move 6 times, and then you're given another opportunity. If it lands on a 6, again, you'll be given another opportunity to toss it. If a player gets 3 times continuous 6, this 3rd turn will be skipped. If token crosses the finish line, you can see the arrow which is there, he gets another 10 to roll dice. If a token captures another token, player gets another 10 to roll dice. As simple as that. These are safe places for all tokens, irrespective of color. I'm pretty sure you're seeing the indicated safe places. And they're saying the tokens must move out and travel around the board to make it to home. That's the one that I mentioned of to say you have to move all the 4 pieces to the palace. Who to move? If the user has not played the game for 20 seconds, the system will auto move. That is, after tossing the die, if you don't move, you don't pick on the piece that has to move, the game will automatically move the pieces for you. You will find that automatic play will actually be initiated. Well, so that's all about Ludo game. Catch you there on Meyo.